What's going on, everybody? Jacob with Alpha Family, and I am very excited that I now have the SCOUT G10. So I'm gonna unbox it with y'all. Been really excited about getting this thing for quite a while now. Finally got the money saved up. It's just something I could not resist. It is made by Simple Shot. Comes with a little carrying pouch. It's pretty cool. Trash. Alright, so got me a little Simple Shot sticker. See if let's open this bad boy up. That thing, wow. So along with the pouch, it's got a little separator in there. You get some steel ammo. Looks like you get some clay ammo as well. So if you're out of ammo, at least you got something to try it out with, which is not the case for me. Wow, look at that. It's got the sights. Man, does that look good. I saw in the comment section that everybody was saying it was too pretty for them to shoot. It's pretty, but I'm gonna shoot it. Man, what an upgrade. For me to be shooting the SCOUT, the older SCOUT for so long, it's nice to have the upgrade. Also comes with a little paper target, that's cool. Comes with some band sets. You got your clay band set, and then you got your general purpose, that's cool. And you also get a little card on how to install your bands. Thankfully, I know how to do that. I've been doing it long enough, thought I'd hope so. So, comes with some extra pieces here, and the bit itself for you to install your bands, because it's not like the old one that I used the coin on. It's got the hex, it looks like. And you also get, there's another sticker, nice. The wood dog tag. That's really cool. I like that. That's awesome. Come with a little chain. But yeah, I mean, this thing is beautiful. Can't wait to see how it shoots, which should shoot about as good as the other one, if not better, for sure. There you go, there's your little tool there. Man, that's awesome. Go check them out, Simple Shot. This is the SCOUT G10. I will be posting some shorts later of me shooting this for sure. But for now, I'm gonna go set up some bands and see how she does. Thanks for watching.